Machnovetskaya, a citizen of Russian Federation, and Mykola Dragic, a citizen of Belarus, a director and a theater actor. He is graduate of the Russian State Institute of Performing Arts, St. Petersburg, Russia. So, I'll come from the rich heritage of theater and filmmakers. I'm the daughter of Yuri Mamin, you may know him. He is a celebrated Russian filmmaker who makes movie Window to Paris. So, and this is Mykola Dragic. He is the theater director and actor. He is the professional artist, director, and he is specialized in the puppet shows. Back in 2017, he was participating in Dhatu Puppet Festival in Bangalore.
Yeah, international
Puppet Festival. Yes, so why we're here? We want to clear up the misunderstanding, so which arose during our performance in the form of a rumor about the black magic. We want to make it absolutely clear, but we are not ministers of any cult or ardent supporters of any religion's outfit. We are just performers. The story of our performance belongs to an Indian epos about King Vikram Aditya and his 7-year ordeal on the planet Saturn. The whole story carries a strong legacy of Indian culture, which we love dearly. The event was held on a Saturday, as it in the planet Saturn ruled to protect their loved ones from something harmful. We just wish that they hadn't taken us at face value and had the patience to understand that we were only doing a theatrical performance and not some ominous ritual. We are so inspired by this book of The Greatness of Saturn. This is the book of Robert Svoboda. And this ancient Vedic story that we want to make the film of the greatness of Saturn someday. We appreciate any kind of help in this, especially educational. We would like to work with your historians, your art curators, and professors to better understand how to present this story. We would like Goa government to assist us in this case. And we hope to perform it for you someday at a prestigious venue in Goa and not just under the banyan tree.
So thank you so much. If you have any question, you please can ask, and we are pleasure to explain the situation better if you need understanding more. I met this story around 7 years ago in India, in Rishikesh, from my friend, and it was so much impressed me. I think it's very famous, like king from Ujjain, yeah, Vikramaditya. More than 2000 years ago, his time of yeah, we say for the people before that we want to do this.
Have you taken permission from Panchayat or tourism department?
We were going to the Panchayat and to the local police and telling what we want to make this story. And we don't go to the main man there, you know, to the main gun. We're just speaking with the people who work there, and they say that this is not a problem.
Yeah.
Because we don't do like the commercial event. We're not doing like some, you know, black magic, how you call. We're just making seva, you know, just seva to like telling the story to the people from the another cultures about your ancient Vedic history. I understand that it's not Goan history, you know, but if you take ancient time, it's Goan also, you know, because this story like 2000 years and more, you know. So we just speak to them. They say that this is okay, and then in the moment when it was happened, the
people
Panchayat
come and stop it. It's okay.
But in a public place, openly doing such things is allowed.
We are sorry what we are making this, because like this is not the event. It's not the commercial event.
Okay, in Russia, will you allow you people?
We can go
you know, you can go for for the forest. It's open.
But without permission, you can go and do it.
Yeah, it's possible, for sure. Yeah, like this, if we sitting here in the park and you ask me, Mykola, tell me what your story do, and I start to tell you, and your friends come in, and you know we
culture, and he's not working here, you know, he's not making this for money. This is just the seva. Yes, so he knows the story and he wants to share it with the people, just to let them know the deep wisdom of the culture, you know, just for this purpose. This is not like, you understand, like if you are meeting with your friends, for example, have you got the permission to tell them the story?
Okay. You just tell me you are doing seva. Then why locals stop you then?
I don't know. The local people,
doesn't know what you are doing.
Local women in the start, Didis was coming, asking what we are doing. We explain all of the situation. They bless us and tell, okay, it's great, you can do it. But then the punchhead coming, and they was upset because we don't get the paper permission about this event. And we understand them fully, and we close the event.
Yeah, and they were very polite.
Yeah, we are really sorry what we do it without the permission. We was talking with the owner of the land of the banyan tree.
Yeah,
Yes,
and he said,
the
okay.
owner of the land from the banyan tree give us the permission. Say this is not a problem. Please do it. He know what the story we want to speak about. He is the Hindu. Yes, so he understand the thing.
Yeah.
So what?
How many people present at time?
It's about 90.
90.
No, everyone is
but
allowed.
event is in Russian.
It's just language border. Because if I start to speak it, если я буду говорить по-русски, you not understand, right? So, it's like this.
If it's for you
only
really
Russian.
important.
You are speaking in only language
I
official.
can speak
Russian.
Italian, I can speak Russian, I can speak English. But my English is not so good to speak
The
2
show
hours
was in
and write.
Russian language.
Huh?
The show was in Russian
Now
language.
it's only in Russian, but I plan to make it also in English.